Hey friends, I am Chris Dooley. I'm a new member of the TVC worship team on bass, and I was asked to do a riff of the month, and I went ahead and chose a worship song, even though worship is not really known for its fancy bass lines. That's by design. Worship bass is more about the root chord that's a foundation for the singers and the rest of the band, as well as really just playing in the pocket with the drummer, especially the kick drum. But every once in a while, you get to play a really cool bass line that's still tasteful, still focuses on the root chords that everyone else is relying on. And one technique you can use to raise the energy level, maybe the joy level, the movement of a song without abandoning the root chord is to use octaves. So that's one of my signatures of my style, is to do a lot of octave work. And so that's what I chose for today's riff of the month is Hillsong United, the bridge part of Came to My Rescue. So I'm going to show you a technique where you can slide a whole octave without going all 12 frets. If you stay on one string to do an octave, you have to go 12 frets, but you can cheat and still get the effect of a slide by going 7 frets and changing strings mid-slide, and people don't even really notice, to be honest. So I'm going to do an A slide. This is the key of C. It's the 6th chord. Most of the bridge of that song is on the 6th chord. So I'm going to go from an A from the E string to an A on the A string. So A to A, but only 7 frets apart. And then the rest of the bridge goes to a 1 chord. Does a cool little dance where it goes 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. 5, but that octave, it's not only an octave, it does a cool little 6, 6, 5, 3, 6, 6, 6 minor, 6, 6, 6, 5, 3, 6, 6, 6, and then it ends on a 4 chord, and then it repeats. So I'm going to go ahead and start it. I have it queued up here. And the first time you play it, so instrumentally, and then the first time the vocalists sing it, I typically will play it pretty straight with some driving 8th notes, really locked in with that drummer, and then the octaves come in for that second time we sing the bridge. So here's the first one, A, it's a 6th chord. Just gonna groove with the drummer here to the 1 chord. And by the way, this would sound better on an electric bass, like I play in church. But for convenience, I'm playing an acoustic today, so bear with me on the sliding here. 6, 5, 3 to the 1 chord, 2, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Octave, 6, 5, 3, 5 chord, 4, and then it repeats. There you go.